Nakatayo na po ang kauna-unahang Dr. Jose Rizal Study Room sa isang malaking aklatan sa Airdrie, Alberta. Panoorin po ang itsura ng kwarto at bakit ito itinuturing na makasaysayan. Narito ang report. Binuksan na bago matapos ang 2025 ang pinakabagong Inspire Center sa Airdrie, Alberta. Nasa loob nito ang malaking pampublikong aklatan para sa syudad at isa sa mga kwarto nito ipinangalan sa pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas na si Dr. Jose Rizal. Ito ang kauna-unahang Jose Rizal Study Room sa Canada at marahil sa iba pang bansa.
The Learning Center in the library is a great opportunity not only for youth to learn more about Dr. Jose Rizal and his teachings, but also to inspire them to continue learning, further their education, and give them a space where they can go and focus on their personal and self-development.
The Knights of Rizal were hoping that because of a visual representation of who the Filipinos are and who's that significant figure, it would bring home a concrete message to the community that while we may be in Canada, we have visuals to enrich our roots.
Ang inaugurasyon, dinaluhan ng mga ambassador, mayor ng Airdrie at dignitaries. Nag-ambaga ng Knights of Rizal at Filipino community para sa $20,000 na naming rights. Ang study room na maaari ding gamitin na meeting room ay may litrato ni Rizal at maikling pahayag sa kung sino ang bayaning ito ng Pilipinas.
It has a little literature about who Dr. Jose Rizal is. So when you come in, you may not be Filipino, you would be encouraged to read and see, oh my gosh, the room is so unique as compared to the other rooms. This is like, who's Dr. Jose Rizal? You come in, there's a whole paragraph on that wall, and you could literally read who that guy is,
Halos katabilang din ng Rizal Study Room ang international section ng aklatan kung saan mababasa ang mga libro tungkol sa kabayanihan ni Rizal at ang mga mayamang kultura ng Pilipinas.
Definitely gives me a sense of pride for being a Filipino Canadian, but also such an honor and a blessing to be able to be part of this. This is going to be generational. It's going to be a legacy where it's going to go on for years and years and years. And to be able to be a part of that is a huge blessing.
Ngayon ng grupo ang paghiling sa Airdrie government na magsama ng Filipino language sa ilang paaralan sa syudad.
This is one way of encouraging the Filipinos who have immigrated to our area here to continue their culture, to uphold their culture, and in encouraging them to continue using the language or at least learn the language.
Nagagamit na ngayon ang Dr. Jose Rizal Study Room at maaari nang magpareserba. Pumunta lamang sa website ng Airdrie Public Library upang magamit ang isang makasaysayang kwarto para sa mga Pilipino dito sa Canada.